it comes to cruising around Miami, this Pardo 43 is the best choice. Woo! Welcome to Motor Diesel Caterina 2022 Pardo 43, a boat that combines simplicity, elegance and performance all in one. The navigation system on the Pardo 43 is very simple. You don't need to be an expert to drive her. You can with 2 Garmin screens with all your data, charts and everything you need to go out at sea. One of my favorite things on the Pardo 43 is the very large social area. It's a real mix in between elegance, simplicity and comfort. From port side, you can open the garage and lower the swing platform. I love to have this electric beam. You definitely need it in Miami. And the best part, this boat has only 380 hours on the engines. That's nothing. And she just came out of the boatyard with a new bottom paint, service on the Volvo IPS pods, ceramic coating through the hull and hardtop, new seats. So she's ready to go. She's better than a new Pardo 43. I am Captain Randy with Miami Yachting, and this Pardo 43 is the best option in the market. Reach out to me and let us schedule a showing.